Upskilling for the age of AI. We stand at the cusp of a new era, one profoundly shaped by artificial intelligence. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's rapidly transforming industries, redefining job roles, and reshaping the very fabric of our professional lives. The question isn't whether AI will impact you, but how prepared you are to navigate this evolving landscape. This isn't about fearing replacement, it's about embracing opportunity. It's about understanding how to augment your existing skills and acquire new ones that will make you indispensable in an AI-driven world. Let's explore the essential skills you need to thrive in this exciting new age. While AI excels at automation and data processing, it lacks the uniquely human qualities that drive innovation and connection. These are the skills that will set you apart. These are the skills that AI cannot replicate. In a world saturated with information, the ability to analyze, evaluate, and synthesize is paramount. AI can provide data, but it's up to us to interpret it, identify patterns, and draw meaningful conclusions. Critical thinking allows us to challenge assumptions, question biases, and make informed decisions. Problem solving goes hand in hand with critical thinking. It's about identifying challenges, developing creative solutions, and implementing them effectively. AI can assist in this process, but it requires human ingenuity to define the problem and guide the solution. Creativity is the spark that ignites new ideas and drives progress. It's the ability to think outside the box, challenge conventional wisdom, and imagine possibilities that others haven't considered. AI can assist in generating ideas, but it's human creativity that provides the inspiration and direction. Innovation is the process of turning creative ideas into tangible realities. It requires experimentation, iteration, and a willingness to embrace failure as a learning opportunity. In an AI-driven world, creativity and innovation will be highly valued assets. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions, as well as recognize and respond to the emotions of others. It's about empathy, self-awareness, and building strong relationships. AI can analyze data to understand customer sentiment, but it cannot replicate the human connection. Effective communication is essential for collaboration, leadership, and building trust. It's about clearly articulating your ideas, actively listening to others, and adapting your communication style to different audiences. AI can assist in translating languages, but it cannot replace the nuances of human interaction. The pace of technological change is accelerating, and the skills that are in demand today may be obsolete tomorrow. Adaptability is the ability to embrace change, learn new things quickly, and adjust to evolving circumstances. This is perhaps the most crucial skill of all. Lifelong learning is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about committing to continuous self-improvement, seeking out new knowledge and skills, and staying ahead of the curve. Embrace online courses, workshops, and mentorship opportunities to expand your horizons. Now that we've identified the essential skills, let's discuss practical steps you can take to upskill for the age of AI. This is about taking proactive steps to future-proof your career. This is about investing in yourself. Start by assessing your current skills and identifying areas where you need to improve. What are the skills that are most in demand in your industry? What are the skills that you find challenging or that you'd like to develop further? Be honest with yourself and identify your weaknesses. Consider seeking feedback from colleagues, mentors, or supervisors. They can provide valuable insights into your strengths and weaknesses. Use this information to create a personalized learning plan. Online learning platforms offer a wealth of resources for acquiring new skills. Platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy provide access to courses from top universities and industry experts. Explore courses in areas such as AI, data science, machine learning, and digital marketing. Take advantage of free courses and resources to get started. Experiment with different learning styles and find what works best for you. Commit to completing courses and earning certifications to demonstrate your new skills. Mentorship can provide invaluable guidance and support as you navigate your upskilling journey. Find a mentor who has experience in the field you're interested in and who can offer advice and insights. Attend industry events and conferences to network with other professionals. Join online communities and forums to connect with like-minded individuals. Share your experiences, ask questions, and learn from others. Building a strong network can open doors to new opportunities and accelerate your learning. The best way to learn about AI is to experiment with it. Explore different AI tools and technologies and see how they can be applied to your work. Use AI-powered tools for tasks such as writing, data analysis, and project management. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Experimentation is a key part of the learning process. The more you experiment, the more comfortable you'll become with AI, and the better you'll understand its potential. Upskilling is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process. Commit to continuous self-improvement and stay up to date on the latest trends and technologies. Read industry publications, attend webinars, and participate in online discussions. Set aside time each week for learning and development. Make it a habit to learn something new every day. The more you invest in your skills, the more valuable you'll become in the age of AI. The future is not about humans versus AI. It's about humans and AI working together. By embracing upskilling and focusing on uniquely human skills, you can position yourself for success in this new era. Embrace the challenge, embrace the opportunity, and embrace the future. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the skill of the user. By developing your skills and understanding how to leverage AI, you can unlock new levels of productivity, creativity, and innovation. The future is bright for those who are willing to learn and adapt.